Hello and welcome to your everyday morning yoga routine to help you feel your best mentally and physically for the day ahead. We begin this class in child's pose, just walking the hands forward, forehead or cheek to the mat, just taking a quick moment here to arrive into your practice, maybe even gently rocking side to side. Taking a full breath into your belly and exhale out. Gently release, come all the way up into all fours position, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. And we'll move into some gentle cat and cows. With the inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale to round, moving at your own pace. Inhale to lift, drop your belly. Exhale to round, come into cat pose. Inhale to lift, find cow pose. Exhale, draw your chin to your chest, round your back. Great, find a neutral spine and walk the hands forward to the top of the mat, coming into puppy pose, letting your hips stacked over your knees. If you have the space today, feel free to even take the chin and chest down, staying wherever you feel most comfortable in your puppy pose. Find a few breaths here. Bring your hands back into all fours position. Tuck the toes and send the hips up for downward dog, keeping a generous bend in the knees. Option to find movement in your hip by rocking side to side, or walk your dog out by pedaling out the legs. Pressing the mat away from your hands and feet, engaging that core. Look between the hands and start to take little baby steps to the top of the mat. Inhale, come into half lift, straighten the back. Exhale, fold, keeping a bend in the knees. Once more, inhale, half lift, exhale to fold. Take the opposite hand to opposite elbow and relax your head and neck. Find a gentle rock from side to side, coming into ragdoll. A beautiful pose to hang out in, just let the gravity do its work here. Releasing the hands from the elbows. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, lower the hands and step the left foot back. Lower the left knee. Inhale the arms up for low lunge. Lower the hips down. Plant both hands back on the mat and reach with your right arm up, coming into a side twist. And as you exhale, press the floor away, lift up, engaging the core. And start to lean back, grabbing with your right hand your left heel. And reach with your left hand up and over. Great, windmill your arms all the way back to the mat and start to straighten the front leg. Flexing the right foot to get the full benefit of this pose. And keep your back straight. Option to keep a little bend in the knees to make it more accessible. Rebend the front knee and bring the hands beside the right foot. While shuffle the right foot a little bit more to the edge of the mat, coming into lizard. You can stay here, or if you want a bit more of a challenge, you can lift your right knee off the mat. From here, go ahead and push the right knee out to the side with your right hand, opening up your hip a bit more. Plant your right hand back on the mat and step with your right foot back to plank pose. Ripple forwards, lower the knees and shift forward, coming into cobra pose. Press into your palms to lift your chest, roll your shoulders back. And with your exhale, tuck your toes and shift back into downward facing dog, pedaling out the legs. Look in between your hands and step forward to the top of the mat. Inhale, half lift straight back. Exhale to fold. Inhale, half lift with your fingertips on the mat. And bring your feet to the edge of the mat. Point your toes out. Then root into your fingertips and come all the way down into your malasana. Bring the palms together in front of your heart and press your knees open with the help of your elbows. Option to stay here in your malasana pose or gently rock from side to side. Root your hands back down on the mat, lift your hips and come back into half lift. Step the right foot back and lower the knee. Inhale, raise your hands up overhead, lower your hip. And exhale, plant the hands back down on the mat. And reach with your left arm up and over, opening up to the left. Press into your palms, lift yourself up. And with your exhale, grab with your left arm your right heel. Right hand reaches up and over. Beautiful. Windmill the arms all the way back to the mat. Plant your right hand. And start to straighten your left leg, keeping your left foot flexed to get the full benefit of this half split. Rebend the front knee and bring your hands beside your left foot. Shuffle the left foot a little bit more to the edge of the mat. Option to stay here or lift your right knee. Place the left hand on top of your left knee and gently push the knee out, opening up your hip a bit more. Replant the front hand and step back into plank. Lower your knees and slide forward, coming into cobra or upward dog this time. Pressing the floor away and lifting your chest. Gently release and push back in a cross-legged position. With your inhale, raise your hands up overhead. Let your palms touch and make yourself long. Exhale, come down on your left elbow and reach with your right hand up and over. Feeling this beautiful side body stretch for one breath. Gently come back up, find length. Exhale, plant the right elbow and lift with your left arm up and over. Gently come back up. Find length from the crown of your head. Exhale, take a twist to the left. Left hand reaches behind, right hand to the top of your left knee. Looking over your left shoulder. Gently unwind, reaching the hands up overhead. Exhale, take a twist to the right, looking over the right shoulder. Slowly release. Inhale the hands once more up overhead. Let your palms touch. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me on the mat today. Namaste.